welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anika K. How y'all doing or whatever? If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back. You decided to come back. Oh yeah, thank you guys so much for returning. If you're an oldie but goodie, if you are a new person to the channel, thank you so much for stopping by my small part of the YouTube universe. And if you do like the content here on this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, little Bible. Okay, let's hit that subscribe button. So guys, as you can see, we are doing my cash count. I don't know if I've ever done one of these. I probably have, but today we're gonna find out like how much is in all of my cash envelopes, and what your girl is excited to know how much coins she got on hand. You know, prepped and prepared. Okay, I'm dangerous because I'm ready. All right. Okay. So, anyways, guys, let's get into the video. Okay, guys, before we get started, I just want to put out a little disclaimer. Now, this is my randoms binder. If you've watched my sinking funds and cash envelopes for 2021, then you guys know what this is. It has a couple cash envelopes that I'm going to count, but I'm not going to count CC payment because that is for my final December end of month monthly budget to review that. So that one you guys will see on the 31st, and then this week's check-in would not also be counted because all of this money in CC payment is already used, so I'm not going to count those. But everything else in here is countable, and we are going to do that. So actually, let's just start off with this then. Those were my sinking funds, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling like a rich chick. Okay, I would say the B word, but I don't feel like it. I'm feeling rich. Okay, listen. Okay, flued out. Okay. Who am I? That's really how cash envelopes be making you feel, like you flued out. Listen. Okay, all these boys want to get with JT. Period, sis. Come on now. Let me not. Oof. Get into your bag, okay? You know how people say get in your bag. This is how when I do this unstuffing, this cash count, this is how I'm feeling. Like I'm in my bag. You see these? You see these? You see this? And I still got more to go. You see these? Bet. And we know it's the right amount because whatever was in the cash envelope matches whatever is on the budget sheet. So if they don't match, that's a problem. But that's why we keep budget sheets in them, y'all, so we know where the money went. Okay, y'all, so as you guys can see, your girl has laid out everything and put them all together, and they are facing the same way. Hallelujah. Won't he do it? Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna count up everything, and we're gonna start smallest to biggest. Okay, so let me push these up, out the way, out the way, out the way, out the way. Okay, so we are gonna start off with the ones. We're gonna count all of these up, so let me push it up some more. Yeah, they're gonna be out of frame, guys, but that's okay. Y'all can still see them, so that's all that matters, okay? Okay, so let's count up how many ones we have. So right now for ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, and 48. We have 48 ones. So 48 ones is what we have. So let's put that down. I have a little piece of paper too. I'm writing down how many there is. So let's count up how much we have in fives for total. So in fives, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105. Actually, let me do that real quick. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, 105 is how much we have in ones, which, okay. I see you fives. 105 is the total amount of fives when we count them up. Next is tens. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. You know, the bigger the number, the higher the number, and so your girl is getting excited. Okay, so we went from 48 to 105. Now let's see how much we have in tens. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, okay? 10, 20, okay, so we have 2 20s and 10. Y'all, am I getting goosebumps? Y'all, I should not be getting this excited, but I am. Y'all, I think I'm getting goosebumps. How much did I say? 220? I forgot how much I counted. Hold up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 92, 10. Okay, 220 in 10. I forgot. I started getting goosebumps. I was like, oh, girl. What? Okay, so 2 10s in 20. So we have 48, 105, 220. So now, let's see. We are gonna count the 20s. Okay. Okay. So 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 82. I know that's right, sis. 20, 40, 60, 83. Push through, girl. 20, 40, 60. So we have 360 in 20s, okay? Come through. Don't let them try to play you 20s. Tell them you got stacks too, okay? 360, okay? All the way around. We good. 360, okay? Period. Don't put some respect on your name, okay? You ain't Jackson for nothing. It's time for the 50s. It's time for the 50s. All right, bet. Let's get into it. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650. Okay, 650, guys. 650. That's how much we have in $50 bills. $50. Woo, girl. I'm telling you, man, this cash envelope, this sinking funds, this budgeting thing, these are the moments you live for, when you can count your racks and know that at any given moment, you stay ready because you've been ready because you that chick or sir, you know, whichever one you are. But you just, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. But now it's time for the hundreds, because you know what? Call me a trap queen. Okay. Who am I? Seriously, who am I? Okay, let's go. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a grand. That's a grand. That's a grand. Okay, that's $1,000. That right there is $1,000. It's $1,000. Put your budget online and I'll give you $1,000. I should not be imitating Boosie. But listen, okay, welcome to culture and budgeting, okay? Budgeting and culture. Okay, so this is $1,000. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I told y'all in the beginning of it's at least 1,500. Wait, is this 5 more? This is 1,500. Is this? Guys, this might be 5 more, so that might be 2,000. That might be 2,000. All right, 1,500, 16, 17, 18. Okay, guys, this is $2,000. This is $2,000. Okay, this is $2,000. This is $2,000. Okay. Stop it. Stop it. This is $2,000. You know the SpongeBob meme? Okay, let me stop. Look, this is $2,000, y'all. 21, 22, $2,200. $2,200. $2,200. Y'all better stop playing with budgeting, okay? Stop playing with it. Stop playing with it, okay? It's been trying to tell y'all, stop playing with me. And don't forget that I have some of my cash envelopes empty. Let me write down this $2,200. $2,200. Okay? Y'all already know we over $3,000. Y'all already know. If y'all was counting up, let me go get my calculator so I can count, because I don't even feel like doing brain math right now. The way how I'm a rich chick, I don't even feel like doing brain math. So hold on. Basically, guys, I'm a hot girl that budgets and I do hot stuff, okay? I ain't gonna cuss on this, but here we go. So we had, let me make sure you guys can see this, because I don't want to glare on the screen. I want y'all to see this, know what's up, okay? Period. So we had $48 for the ones. We had $105 for the 5s. We had $220 for the 10s. We had $360 for the 20s. We had $650 for the 50s, and we had $2,200 for the $100. $3,553 and $83. I'm sorry, $3,583. I'm just gonna sit that right there. If you ain't started budgeting, I'm just gonna sit this right here. Let you marinate on that a little bit. And that's just what's on hand. That's just what I have on hand. We didn't even talk about what's in the bank. Real life. I feel like I'm getting real life. Y'all see this? These are called real life goosebumps. Like, okay, all right. Okay, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all give it a thumbs up, okay? Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, friend, or a foe. Everybody, at this point, just share with everybody, okay? And if you did like this content, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because baby, okay? 2021, I'm coming for your neck, okay? Your back and your feet bottoms. I'm coming for all of you, okay? Period. Anyways, guys, my name is Ink and Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
how you won't get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't